Right, well, here we go. I've decided to do something with my portable compressor project. So what I've done, this compressor here was originally on this tank. So this uses, I'm going to take that off. Eventually, I'm just going to leave this as it is for now, but eventually I'm going to take that off, put that fitting on, and then put one of those on it, and I can run this as I can already run this as a standalone unit, but it will run all the time without that switch there. So eventually I'm going to be fitting one of those switches to it. Got the fitting for here. So what I've done is I've taken the base plate off this machine. I've now fitted it to this machine so I can attach it to the tank that had all those bits on it. I've done the wiring. So there's the wiring there. So the big wire goes through to the board, and then it will come out from the board to that switch there, and that'll go into that switch there. So hopefully, if everything works, once I get it all up and running again, that's what they look like inside. It's pretty a lot of goo in there. So anyhow, yeah, that's what I'm doing. I have what's that? You'll put another thread in here. So originally it come out with that big hose. So, and that fitted in there. But now it doesn't. I've got, where did I put that? I've got another fitting there. That'll go onto that. That's that there, that needs to go on there. I've had a look inside the tank. It looks reasonably, it's spots of rust in it, but we'll sort that. So now I'm just going to put them on there, put the handle on. That will go up here like so, so then I can put the fitting in it. And where did I put all my bits? Yeah, I had all these bits all organised. So I'm using those fittings. They're a Nitto fitting. Can't remember if that one or not. Was it that one? That's the trouble, put everything away. You can't figure out what stuff is. I think it was the brass fitting, I think. Was it that one? I think it might have been that one. So, nope. Was it that one? No, it wasn't that one either. That one. Yeah, I think it was that one. So that's going on there like so, and then I'll fit that. And then that goes up in there like that once I put the cylinder heads on. And I can run an air hose out of it now. So I'll put you down and you can watch me. So I've already done the wiring. Now I'm just putting those fittings in. Okay. So that's that there, and it was another reason too why I use a bigger fitting. You might be able to see that. That's got a smaller diameter and that's got a bigger diameter. So it should be able to pump a bit more air through the fitting, bigger fitting. Putting a wee bit of this stuff on. So that will go like so. That will go like so. Like that. And that'll fit up there. So what I need to do, put a wee bit of glue, a bit of Loctite on these fittings. I might have to get a screwdriver for that. Okay. Got a bit of Loctite, 5/6/7. I was going to use Teflon tape, but I've got this stuff, so alright, let's have a look, see. Pull on a little bit around there. You don't want too much, but you don't want too little. Okay, so a wee bit there. A wee bit there. Right. Now then, comes the, put it in the head, make sure that's around the right way. Okay. I forgot something. I need to put in, oh, where are they? I need to put in the springs. So the springs go in. Right, now we can do that. Alrighty. Okay. One more turn around. Where is okay. Alrighty, so there you go. Now we do that side, and we put that cylinder head in. So that goes that side, yep. Alright. Screw that on. Alright, okay. Hold that. Right. Keep going. Alrighty. Now, better put it on the bench just to tighten it up a bit. Okay. Now, we'll get that all so it's all good. Get that so it's all good. Right. There we go. I'll get the head on. So that's what it's going to look like. So yeah, that was just a single cylinder compressor, and I fitted the double piston compressor. Okay. Now we need to put the bolts in. One, two, three, I screwed that up. It doesn't come out this side. It comes out that side because there's the hole there for it. So I have to turn those heads around. Okay. Right, there we go. Easy peasy. Something's not going right. There we go, I think that's all done. Okay, Now we've got 4 of them in and one more. So now we tighten up. So that's in. Now this one. That one there. That one there. And I'm going to be modifying this eventually as well, just for a wee bit more flow. But for now, we'll try it. That wiring I've done too is temporary until I can get the proper fittings as well. But this is just proof of concept at the moment. I just want to see if the double piston compressor will work on this tank. I see no reason why it shouldn't. It's tightened up. Okay, it's tight. Tight. Alright, now just to try to get that properly done. Turn it out. I think that's enough. Okay. I'm going to change the wiring, battery wiring too. Okay, so that will go there like that, and then you've got that fitting there that will go like so. So that will go like that. That will go like so. And then I can fit that in like so. So we need to take that out. I need to put some glue on this. Although I've got Teflon tape there, so that'll do for now. It's just I wanted those heads done like that, so now always wrap the Teflon tape the way you want to screw the fitting in. Teflon tape you lot use, but you do you. Okay, so that's that. And I'll do that fitting there. Right. So yeah, the wiring's going to be temporary. I just want to see if this will work. So that will get screwed in there. I've got a battery ready. Okay, tighten up. Right, I'll get this in here. Tightened up. Right, that's tight. Okay. Now I'm not putting I've got the cover for that side as well, but I'm not going to put that on. I'm going to redo that wiring, so it doesn't need to be on. Okay, that's all tight. Now let's see if this fits in. I might have to redo that. Okay, so I'll just have to grind that out a wee bit. So what I can do is just temporarily, there we go, it's going on. Nice. Right. There we go. Cool beans. Right. Now, that, where do I put that? I've got a big hose here. So that goes on there, like that. So that the outlet from the compressor will go through this hose, and then it goes into the tank, into that fitting there, and hopefully it won't over pressurise. I'll put this in, where is it? There. Camera work, jeepers. Okay, so right, so that's in. So it's now got the that fitting there. That's all fitted up. It should run. I've got a battery ready to go. Okay, now let's have a look. Now this is a battery been sitting here, it should be okay. So we've got negative and positive. Right. Now when I turn the compressor on, it should run and then stop. So we'll give it a go. Nope, it didn't. Oh, I know why, because I haven't tightened the bung in the bottom of the tank. So what's happening is, yeah, there we go. Yeah, I forgot to do the bung in the bottom of the tank. So it should, the tank should fill and then stop. Sweet, that works. So why that runs for so long was because it was filling the tank. So that's good. Once it starts, it'll fill that tank. And where did that fitting go? It'll fill the tank and then stop. So that's good. That's what I wanted. Now, where'd that fitting go for that handle? Nice. Right, so I'll put my air gun in there and see. Yeah, nice. Well, it works. Excellent. Excellent. Okay. So that's good. That's brilliant. So it actually fills up quicker than the other compressor as well. The other compressor was 150 litres per minute. This is 300 litres per minute. So, but what I've got to do now is I want to one of these fittings here, and I'm going to put it under here. But then I've got to work out if I can do the wiring the same as here and run a fitting like that, and run a fitting through here so I can just plug that into there, and then I can take this compressor off and use it as a standalone compressor. But for now, this is brilliant. It's going to work exactly like I want it to. So I'm happy with that. I'm going to, once I get these fittings here properly, I'm going to do all this, redo that wiring. But yeah, no, that's what I wanted, so I'll probably button it up now. Yeah, that's fairly hot. Well, warm. Yeah, it's warm. I think these are something like 45 minutes on or something, I think. I'll have it there. 90 amp. This, yeah, I'm going to change this wiring too. That gets quite warm. So I'm happy with that, so yeah. Oh, brilliant. I'm very happy. So yeah, I'll just fix up that wiring there and go and use it. I'd often wondered if that would work, because that one there is, well, basically a similar compressor, so 150 litres a minute. I think that's, so you got the compressor, you switch a compressor only or air tank, so I think compressor only, it works on compressor only, but like this, and then you can put the air tank on it too. Now, I can't remember what, I think it was 150 psi, I think. So anyhow, brilliant, it works. So alright, well, sorry for my camera work, but I'm busy working and I wasn't watching the camera. Yeah, alright, I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.